Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is salsa Nisa. I'm from 9B class. Today I'm going to show you how to make nisa. First of all, we need the food ingredients. First, we need a pan. Second, we need a nisa. And we need stove. Okay, now we heat the water until it boils. While letting the water boil, we put the nisa seasoning. While letting the water boil, we put the nisa seasoning on the pan. Okay, wait until the noodles are half cooked. Then enter the egg. If you feel the eggs are in accordance with of a level maturity, remove and drain, then put a pot. Then stir the seasoning until blended.